Well, good morning, everyone. This is Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. It's another beautiful day here in the Canadian Maritimes, although a bit frosty this morning, but a beautiful day nonetheless. So I've been watching some dialogue online about parks on the air and going out to your local city or municipal or county or regional park. And there was a lot of concern, just like I have, about parks on the air's stance on state and federal. And peeling back the layers of the onion, it is actually pretty interesting to see some of the dialogue between people making requests and parks on the air people. That's not what this video is about today. This video is about going out and activating your park. The park down the street that I have here. There's nothing stopping you from going out and putting up your antenna and calling CQ from your local park. Now, you won't be able to submit that log to Parks on the Air, but is that a big deal? Does that really matter in the grand scheme of things? Probably not. No! The goal, of course, is for you to have fun playing ham radio. I know lots of guys, lots of great portable ham radio operators who go out and do portable ham radio and not do parks on the air. My friend Gunther in Germany, DK5ONV, goes to his local park where he lives in Wiesbaden, Germany, and spent hours there playing portable ham radio. Look at Salty Walt, Coastal Wave and Wires YouTube. Same thing, goes down to beaches in Virginia Beach, sets up on the beach, not POTA, and has fun. There's nothing saying that you have to do parks on the air. There's nothing stopping you from going out to your local park and playing ham radio. Just go out and do it. Have fun. Enjoy it. Now, you can't submit that log to Parks on the Air, but again, that's not a big deal. Who cares? This is one of the reasons why we started NB Parks here in New Brunswick, because we wanted to go out and play ham radio at our local parks and make certificates available to people who work us while we're out at a local park. I'll put a link in the pinned comment below. So when you work us and I'm at a New Brunswick park, you can get a certificate. We just wanted to do that, but you don't have to do that. Again, you don't have to participate in Parks on the Air. You don't have to worry about driving an hour to the nearest state park so you can play ham radio. If there's a perfectly great city park 5 minutes from your house, just go out there, play ham radio, and enjoy yourself. You don't have to do Parks on the Air. I know there's some dialogue going on right now. Multiple groups across the world looking at a system that will complement where Parks on the Air finishes, so you can go out and do local parks and all that. I don't know how that'll play out. We'll see. But it'll be interesting to see how this momentum. There's lots of people, and I mean lots, a lot of people who want to see Parks on the Air relax that rule they have with state and provincial and federal. A lot of people. I got a lot of private messages. Put it this way, hundreds of messages that they don't think that restriction is a good one. But that's just me. Parks on the Air is a private entity, and I have been told that they'll just do whatever they do whatever they want. So, you know what? But anyway, at the end of the day, who cares? Go out and have fun playing radio. That's all that matters. I'm Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. We'll see you guys in a future video.